Hello. In this video, I'll show how you can apply different color codes for different values of an attribute. I am using NYC block groups, and then you can go to the properties of this layer, and under symbology, we will have some options here to change. You learned about the simple field. In simple field, you can change the color, the field color. You can change the type of field color, whether it is solid or not. You can change the outline color, outline width, and you can change outline type or style. And that will give you will apply that symbol or that color or that style on all features. I'm going back here to this window. This type of presentation is named single symbol. If you click on that menu here, you will see that you have other options. For example, graduated method. Under graduated method, we will have the option to assign a field that the values will be used for color coding. We are using our median household income field, and you can choose a color ramp. You have a variety of choices here, and you have to try some of these to see how they look in your map and whether they can communicate the range of your data or not. Here you can change the number of classes that you want to have. In this case, for example, we can have 7 classes. When you change these, the data are going to show up. Or you could just simply use classify and data will show up. And you have other methods of classification. We'll come back to that. You can go to the histogram of the data. You can see that your data is distributed between these classes. So these are the limits that we are using to classify this data. You can change those limits. You can pick these lines and move them if you want to customize your classification. And after having some simple setup, you can then use apply to see the map. In this case, for example, you usually use the colder colors, for example, blue colors, and for low values, and warmer colors like red and yellow for higher values. So if I want to reverse this color, I can right click on the color ramp, and one of the options going to be invert color code. You can apply. You will have the option to change the outline colors as well. In this case, the outline color is actually not bad, but if the outline color, for example, was too strong, you can go back to properties, and under symbol, you can change the style of the rectangles. You can use configure symbol, and under that, if you click on the simple symbol, you will be able to see all these options for outline color. I'm going to use perhaps a little bit less, maybe 0.06 as my outline, and then that will be applied to all of these. You don't need to change the field color because the field color will be driven from the values from the field. Applying colors will be very helpful for you to see the distribution of the values. In this case, you can quickly see where the high income block groups are located and where the low income block groups are located. This map is ready to put in a layout and be presented.